guys, and welcome to Little Stories with Lynn. Today I'm out with my sister and some friends, but we are taking a boat cruise, and I'm going to show you what the boat looks like very soon. What? I'm gonna go for the first time. Oh, stop exposing yourself. So let's go and check out what this boat is all about. Oh yeah.
No, let me piss first. Please. Bathroom. Yes, thank you. Shoes to the look, sir. Oh, shoes. What? I gotta take shoes off.
Oh shit. Sorry, my shoes. I need to get my shoes off. Sorry.
No problem.
Can you hold it?
I gotta show my I gotta show my sexy toes.
So we're supposed to take our shoes off
So when I put my shoes over there?
and put it there. There.
Basket.
Oh yeah, the crazy one has to fling her shoes.
Hello, Felicia's. We're meeting Chichi Lim and Amma and
Oh, it's so beautiful in here.
And it smells like dog shit.
Oh, this is the kitchen.
round.
Just
Okay, can I
Hey, wait. One at a time, baby. Where are you going?
I'm
Bathroom?
going- no bathroom,
Okay.
darling. No bathroom.
All right. Bathroom.
So this is the first bedroom, and
But you can check it out.
this
check
is
it out.
I don't know what this is. Oh, there's another cabin. Okay. I don't know what. Oh, this is supposed to be the master bedroom. Can you hold this for me so I can put on the light?
Take it slow, baby. Okay, it stinks. Are you gonna go or you not? Yes, I am gonna go. Okay, then
Just
do
give me
it.
2 minutes. It's on. So guys, this is what the boat looks like. I think someone took a I don't know, it's thinking. So we're going to go on a 5-hour boat ride, and I'm doing this with my sister, and I'm so excited. We had so much fun today. We had brunch where we literally had everything on the menu, and we're out here living our best life, you know what I'm saying? So let me go off. Yeah, let this is so beautiful. Sorry, excuse me. Sorry guys. Sorry.
Where is the bathroom?
Hi. Hi, Jay.
Into my G-string.
On a boat. What? You don't have no damn G-string. So, this is the marina. Today is amazing. So, this is where my crazy self will be spending her day. Everyone will be inside, but of course, Lincrusion is gonna be outside. So let's go back into the boat so I can wrap this up with my sister. By the way, this boat is called Diana. She's beautiful. And look at all the food. We have, is the food here yet?
Not yet.
Okay. Where's the food?
Not yet. We will set up later, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, in about a while. So it is too early to set up anything.
Food. And she's out there. Hi. Okay, let me look for her. Oh, okay, that's my sister. Hi, DJ. Say the one that's gonna turn us up. Oh yeah. Yeah, who's not ready to turn up? We're Africans. We're always ready to turn up. Madame, come on to end this. Can I go there? Okay. Stay there, I'm coming. Bring your head. So that's my sister. This has been Little Stories with Lynn. I just gave you a tour of Boat Diana. We're going to go on a cruise, 5-hour cruise with, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Next time I'm going to something so important like this, I'll take you guys with. Oh yeah, we'll take a picture. Say bye to them. Bye guys. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll be bringing you more sophisticated. Hey, I go soon later. Bye bye.